Hey guys, it's Tony. If you guys like my content, if you guys are watching me on TikTok, be sure to tap the screen 3 times to give me a super like. And if you're watching me on YouTube, make sure to like the button or hit the like button so the algorithm can like push me out to like everybody and stuff, right? I wanted to update you guys on Riot blockchain. You guys know that I love Riot. You guys know I love buying calls on Riot. I actually did purchase, I think on Monday, about $1,000 worth of Riot options. And just now it's getting in the money because I did think that Bitcoin was going to rally up hard, and I'll probably sell these midday. It doesn't seem like I'm going to make too much profit. I'm only up about $75 right now, but I did buy these for around like $1,300. I will be more than likely, I will be buying. I did some TA on the S&P 500. More than likely, I will be buying some $400 calls about a month out because I do think we're gonna be rallying to $400 on the SPY, and I'll probably be buying them sometime today. I will be selling these Riot calls for SPY calls, but I'm gonna sell these a little bit after because I'm only up about 6%. I want to see how high Riot blockchain can actually go because I think Bitcoin just hit 37 or 38K. So I do think Riot is going to keep going up for the day. But yeah, just letting you guys know my position, and I'll see you guys later.